Welcome to English Snacks. This is Amal Hussein, and today we are doing the time, part 3, my daily routines. Let's talk about some of the daily routines. I wake up at 7 o'clock. What time do you wake up? I wake up at I have breakfast at 7:30. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at I go to school at 9 o'clock. What time do you go to school? I go to school at I have lunch at 12:30. What time do you have lunch? I have lunch at I get home at 4 o'clock. What time do you get home? I get home at I watch TV at 8 o'clock. What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at I go to bed at 11 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at What's your daily routines?